Nah, not junk, just cheap. Good for the price. Anyway, I had a problem with my particular one. My throttle cable. This little cheap plastic piece broke. See, I have a hose clamp on it trying to hold it in place. But it's still like trying to stomp a fire out to get pedal to work. Part was because this cable is so stiff. I tried putting a hose clamp on it to help it, but as you can see, it didn't do much. We're going to get this apart and place this piece, put a sleeve in here, probably zip tie that like that to keep it straight. Yeah. And put some heat shrink over this horrendous stainless steel if I can get it to fit over. And here we are. First thing I'm going to do is try to wrap this in heat shrink so I can get rid of this horrendous stainless steel stuff. No, but I guess I can do electrical tape. Either way, I don't like this stuff. It looks funky under the hood of a 53 Chevy. Alright, I'll give it a try. My heat shrink is only 5/16, so it may not fit. And I actually was able to get it off there. I'm going to go ahead and heat shrink it though. Just to, you know, it's ugly. Still make it look better. I'm going to give the little metal collar a crimp just to make sure it doesn't. Where'd it go? There we go. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Alright. There's that. Old cable. Alright, and reinstalled, and I'll grab another zip tie to ink that better, but got rid of that horrid stainless steel braided stuff. There we go. Now we get to see how the pedal feels. Hey, nice. Smooth and no more grinding.